Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our poem 3, Thousands and Thousands, which is written by the famous poetess Shanta Rameshwar Rao. So before I begin with the poem, let me tell you something about the famous poet Shanta Rameshwar Rao. So, Shanta Rameshwar Rao was an Indian writer and teacher who wrote several short stories and books for children like Sithu, Tales of Ancient India, and the children's Mahabharat. In this poem, the poetess tells us that though maybe there are thousands of things in this world, but each of us is unique and special in their own way. This poem tells us there are thousands and thousands of stars, mountains, hills, birds, fish, and so many other things. But then it reminds us that although there are a number of these things, but still they are different from each other, they are special in their own way. By saying thousands and thousands in this poem, the poet leaves us in amazement because there are so many things in this world which cannot be counted. So now let's begin with the poem. Thousands and thousands of grains of sand, thousands of stars in the sky, thousands of mountains, thousands of hills, thousands of birds that fly. So by this stanza, the poetess wants to tell us that there are many things in the world which can be counted and which are few in number. But there are many things which are in thousands or even more than that, which cannot be counted. Like in this stanza, you can see the poetess is talking about the grains of sand, stars, mountains, hills, and birds. They are in thousands or even more than that. Actually, no one even knows that how many stars are there in the universe. So nobody is aware about their actual number. Mountains are not many as stars, but still it is difficult to count them because there are many mountains which are hidden under the sea. Similarly, there are a number of hills in this world which cannot be counted. And it is very difficult to count the number of birds in this world. We just know the different types of birds, but how many birds are there in this whole world? We are not aware about this, and nobody can count them. Thousands and thousands of blades of grass, thousands of fish in the seas, thousands and thousands of pretty flowers, thousands and thousands of trees. So now here the poetess wants to tell us that we cannot count the blades of grass. They are uncountable. Even the fish in the seas are greater in number than the birds in the sky. At present, there are supposed to be around 33,000 species of fish in the oceans of the world. Similarly, there are a number of flowers and trees in this world which we cannot count. Though we know the different types of flowers, the different types of trees, but the actual number is not known to anyone in this world. Now let's read the last stanza of this poem. Thousands and thousands of creatures and things all around I see, but isn't it strange that there is only one me? So now here the poetess wants to tell us that there are a number of creatures, that is the animals in this world, and there are many things in this world which cannot be counted. There are a number of people in this world which are unique and special and even different from each other. The number of people keeps on rising every year. Like, for example, you can see it in your family itself. There are a number of members in your family, and they are special and unique in their own way. And at last, by saying this, but isn't it strange that there is only one me? The poetess wants to tell us that everybody is special and different from each other. They are unique in their own way. So now, students, your homework is that read the poem thoroughly and learn it, and you have to do complete question A in your notebook. As there are no word meanings in this poem, so you just need to do the question A in your notebook. Do it very neat and clean. All the best.